So I have hardwood floors throughout my house, and I'm a little bit of a lazy cleaner. There is no way I would get a mop bucket, fill it with hot soapy water, get the mop wet, mop my entire floor, wait for it to dry, dump out the mop bucket and leave this crusty, nasty mop laying around. I just hate all of that stuff. So I don't do it. And the only reason I even try to keep my house clean is because Swiffer has made it so much easier. So this is the Swiffer, and it's a wet jet, meaning you can press the handle and liquid will actually shoot out of the tip of this in front of where you're going to mop. And it just makes it so much easier and more convenient. It also comes with these Swiffer ends, which you just stick on there pretty much, and it's good to go. This is the whole kit that I bought. It comes with the actual Swiffer sweeper, 2 packages of the Swiffer heads, 1 of the liquid, which sprays out, and then the obvious broom handle itself. And if you're gonna use this thing like pretty much every day, you can get a few days worth of use out of 1 single pad. But if you're only gonna do this maybe, let's say, once a month, and you're actually gonna clean your floors, this thing gets really gross really fast, and I wouldn't recommend using it more than once. So depending on your cleaning schedule, you can get a few days out of this, but I only do it like once every week or so. So by the time I get to cleaning my floors, they are gross. And even when my floor looks nice, it's actually kind of crazy when you go over it with one of these, how dirty this thing is. How you don't realize how dirty your hardwood floors are until you start scrubbing it with one of these things. So you can then buy these things online so that you have unlimited amounts of pads to use. I recommend it. It makes it more convenient to clean my house, and it's the only reason I do it on a regular basis. So if you're in that same boat as me and you don't want to bust out the old gross mop, I enjoy using this and I would definitely recommend it.